And there's 3 slices. Okay, now let's cook them. Whoop. Good. Okay, then let's see. Let's do this big chicken so we cook it long enough. Hi guys, look at our cute Paw Patrol. And we got this pre-made pizza, but it's not cooked yet. So we're gonna have to cook it and then cut it up for them. So first, we aren't gonna be able to fit this whole pizza in there, so why don't we cut it up? Let's start cutting. There, we'll cut it in half. And then we'll cut all of them with 3 pieces. There. So there's 3 slices. And there's 3 slices. Okay, now let's cook them. Whoop. Good. Okay, then let's see. Let's do this big chicken so we cook it long enough. There we go. Okay. Ooh, a little hot. Blow on it. Let's lower this a little too. There's our first cooked pizza. Let's set it up there so we know which ones are cooked. And let's do our next slice. Boop. All right. This time, let's just do this chicken. It's a drumstick. Perfect. Whew, that was a little warmsy. Hurry, put it back there. There we go. There, we have 2 slices cooked now. Let's do our next slice. And this time, let's do a big chicken. Nice. Ooh, I keep forgetting to blow on it, you guys. There we go, there's our 3rd one. Now we need to do our 4th pizza. Pizza, 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 pizza. Nice. Oh, whew. There we go. Look, we only have 2 pieces left. Let's do this one. Oh, whew. 5th pizza. All right, this is our last pizza slice. Let's cook it real good. There, we're all done with the oven. Okay, you guys. Now that our pizza's all warm, look, I just put them all back together. Now we have a cooked warm pizza. Well, cooked hot pizza. So let's hurry and dig in. There's our first slice. This one, here, let's spread our Paw Patrol out. That one can be for Marshall. Next up, Rebel. There's one for Rebel. And this one's for Chase. And this one is for Skye. Ooh, gotta spread them out a little more, huh? There, and Zuma and Rocky. All right, you guys, dig in. He ate his first. Oh, now Zuma's done. And there's Rubble, he ate the whole thing. Then Rocky, then Chase, and Skye was last. Good job, you guys. That was some good pizza. All right, and now I got a treat for you. It's some watermelon. Here's a big watermelon too. Let's cut this watermelon. And then let's cut this one. There. There, now everyone has watermelon. Wow, you guys ate all of that pretty fast. I'm not even sure who finished first. You fast little eaters, you. Okay, let's get some more food in here. Here's a yummy strawberry. A red strawberry. Let's see. We also have some grapes. Let's cut these grapes in half. These are purple. And ooh, we have a dragon fruit right here. It's pink. There. All right, you guys, eat your fruit. That must have been so good. All right, let's get some veggies in here now. Like some yellow corn. And a mushroom. And a carrot. An orange carrot. Poop. All right, everyone eat their food. Oh my goodness, Paw Patrol, you guys must be stuffed. We are so stuffed, I don't think I can eat any more. I'm gonna take a nap right here. Me too. Yeah, nappy time. Oh. Well, say goodnight to all of our Paw Patrol. Good night. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Woo, now we have all these bubbles with Orbeez in it. Let's try pouring them back in. Whoa, there goes all of our bubble Orbeez. Hi guys, look at all these fun bubbles we have. But I think they're all missing something. What do you think they're missing? I think they're missing Orbeez. Should we add Orbeez to our bubbles? Look what I have. I have a bowl full of Orbeez. So I have this nifty little cup. Let's pour some bubbles in there and throw in some Orbeez and see how cool our bubbles can be. Let's start with Skye. Look, we can even fill Skye's head up with Orbeez. Whoa! Look, we fill her head up and pour them in. Is that enough Orbeez? Okay, let's pour in some of our bubbles. Ooey gooey bubbles. Look how cool that looks. All right, then let's pull out our bubble wand. Let's blow some bubbles. Did you see those bubbles? Let's do it again. Look at our fun. Oh, look, we can pick up Orbeez with our wand. Look at that Orbie. They just fall right through the big hole. Okay, let's blow some more bubbles. Did you see all those ones? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's blow from this side. Oh my goodness. That's so much bubbles with all of our Orbeez. That was fun. Woo, now we have all these bubbles with Orbeez in it. Let's try pouring them back in. Whoa, there goes all of our bubble Orbeez. Now there's Orbeez in our bubbles. Now let's put Skye away. There's Skye, you have all the Orbeez you could ever want. Woo! Okay, let's do that again. I got a new cup. Now let's try it with Raphael from the Ninja Turtles. Let's pour some bubbles in first this time. Now let's drop in some Orbeez. Orbeez! Do you think that's enough Orbeez? All right, let's get his bubble wand. Woo! All right, now let's blow some bubbles. Look at all those bubbles. Let's try hitting Shimmer. We got her a little bit, didn't we? Let's try hitting Marshall. We hit him a few times, didn't we? Okay, let's put back our bow wand and pour in some of our Orbeez. Ooh, pour out a little bit. There we go. All right, let's put Raphael back on. Now he has some Orbeez in him. Okay, let's do one more color. Let's do Shine. She has blue bubbles. Pour some in there. All right, let's fill this one all the way up with Orbeez. Oh wait, we need to use her head. Oh my goodness, look at all those Orbeez. There's too many. Let's blow some bubbles. Oh my goodness. Let's go from this side. Oh my gosh, there's so many Orbeez and bubbles. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's put our wand back inside. Let's pour some Orbeez in here. Wow, look how many Orbeez we can fit in this one. Look, it's totally full of Orbeez all the way down here. All right, Shine, let's put you back on. Oh my goodness, look at all those Orbeez we used in our bubbles. That was so fun. Okay then. Look, let's put all of the rest of our Orbeez and bubbles in Chase. Wow! Wow, Orbeez! Look, Chase is full of Orbeez now. All right, you gotta say bye to all of our bubbles and Orbeez. Bye!
Bye-bye.